There's something so special about receiving a handwritten note, but it's the little details that truly make it unforgettable. I'm a super creative person and I've honestly become a little obsessed with wax seals lately. I love making cards for my friends and family, and adding a custom wax seal just makes it feel so personal and thoughtful. And they always notice it. But I used to use the traditional candle method and it was messy, slow, and honestly kind of stressful. That's why I switched to this electric wax seal warmer and it completely changed the experience for me. The kit comes with three pieces: one electric wax seal warmer, no candle, no smoke, one melting spoon, and one pair of tweezers. It plugs in and heats quickly and evenly. You can melt 10 plus wax beads at once, which saves so much time. It's clean and easy to use. No soot, no dripping candles, and the cleanup is super simple. Just wipe the spoon and you're done. You can even mix different wax colors for really custom, beautiful seals, which I love. This has turned something small into a really enjoyable little ritual. If you're thinking, is this complicated? It's not at all. It's actually easier than the traditional method, especially if you're new to wax sealing. And if you're worried about safety, this is electric, so there's no open flame, which I personally feel so much better about. For me, it's made creating cards and little gifts so much more fun, and my friends genuinely love the extra detail. It just adds that thoughtful, personal touch that stands out. If you've been wanting to elevate your cards, invitations, or creative projects, this is such an easy upgrade. Go check it out and start making your own wax seals. I promise once you start, you won't want to stop.